17 ASMR. Damn that fucking storm. I can't get sleep with that constantly going off. How annoying. What the? That's a new scent. What's in my cave? Oi. Whatever's in here, come out now. I know you're here. If you just explain yourself, we may be able to end this peacefully. I'm not in the mood to fight. Oh. You're a bunny. Hey. You don't need to be so afraid. I apologize. I thought you might have been a wolf trying to contest territory, but that's obviously not the case. What are you doing here? Please, it's okay. You don't need to be scared of me. I'm not going to hurt you. Oh, you must be taking shelter from the snowstorm. You're really brave enough to enter a werewolf's cave for that? I suppose it is pouring out there. You poor thing. Shh. It's okay, little bunny. Here, you must be freezing. You've been staying so close to the cave entrance in order not to wake me, right? Well, you are shaking. I can't fully tell if that's from the cold or from fear. It's probably a bit of both. But come closer. My fur is thick and soft. It can keep you warm. It's okay. Come here. There we go. Such a good little rabbit. What were you doing outside of your home? Oh, you poor thing. You were lost? A lost little rabbit in the storm, finding itself in the cave of a werewolf. Such a frightening tale. But it's one with a good ending. Shh, you're safe now. Let the big, scary wolf protect you. Hey, it's alright. Oh. You must be afraid of the lightning. I suppose if you have large ears, that sound is amplified. Oh, you poor thing. Come here. Put your head against my chest. Good bun. Such a good little bun. Just listen to my heartbeat. There's no need to fear the lightning and thunder. It can't hurt you. This cave is very well sheltered. And I can protect you from everything that comes after. Why am I being so nice? I have a weakness of sort. Cute, adorable little preys like you, bunnies in particular, just make me melt inside. Unlike most other wolves who will see you and get a rush of energy for a hunt, I simply get a rush of energy to protect. I can't stand seeing you cute little things get hurt, so I do everything in my power to help you, protect you when I can. So there's no need for fear anymore. You can just relax in my embrace. Really, it's no bother, little bunny. It's my pleasure to protect you. I know we've just met, but please, allow me to be your sanctuary until the storm ends. That's it. Rest now. When you wake up, I will still be here, protecting you, keeping you warm and safe. While you're with me, there's no need to fear. No need for stress, little bunny. Tonight, you're my little bun, and I will take very good care of you.